Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your Windows computer appears to be randomly going into sleep mode. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung control panel and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito lang sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung arrow na yan and then kailangan mo lang i-click yan and select mo lang dito yung large icons para makita mo lahat yung settings. So click mo lang yan. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung power options. Okay? So i-click lang natin yan. And then dito sa power options and dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung change window computer sleeps. So click lang natin yan. And dito lang sa change settings, so choose the sleep and display settings that you want your computer to use. So nandito yung options na on battery or plug in. And then nandito naman yung option na turn off the display and then yung put the computer to sleep. So dito sa turn off the display, so nandito yung mga option na pwede mong i-select. Click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then meron ditong 1 minute up to 45 minutes. And then 1 hour up to 5 hours mga kaibigan. So select ka lang dito kung ano yung desired and option mo, kung ilang minutes or hours. So same naman dito sa plug in. So, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan and then select mo lang dito kung 1 minute or 45 minutes. So, 1 hour or 5 hours yung option mo. Okay, so dito naman sa put the computer to sleep. So, same procedure. Select mo lang yung arrow na yan and then select mo lang dito kung 1 minute or 45 minutes or 30 minutes or 1 hour or 5 hours. And then same dito sa kanyang plug in and then click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito kung ilang minutes and then yung kung ilang hours mga kaibigan. Alright? So napakasimple lang talaga kung paano natin ito i-modify mga kaibigan. And then next step, kapag nakaselect ka lang dito and then select mo lang dito yung save changes. Alright? So ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows computer goes to sleep automatically randomly. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.